300 million people in the world live with a rare disease. Most of them spend years searching for a diagnosis, and many hear the painful word, there's no treatment. But today, things are finally changing. I'm Dr. Priyanka Mathur, an international physician and founder of MediPocket USA. After working across India, Russia, and the United States, I've seen firsthand how devastating rare diseases can be and how powerful the new age of scientific breakthroughs has become. For the first time in history, we are not just managing symptoms, we are going after the root cause. Today, we are exploring the most promising breakthroughs: gene replacement, RNA slicing, CRISPR gene editing, enzyme replacement therapy, personalized cancer vaccines, and global clinical trials. Let's dive into the future of hope. For many rare diseases, the problem starts with a single faulty gene. Gene replacement therapy aims to deliver a healthy copy of that gene directly into the cells. Breakthrough examples include spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, one of the deadliest genetic disorders in infants, now treated with Zolgensma, a one-time gene therapy that replaces the defective SMN1 gene, inherited retinal disease, where gene therapy like Luxturna restores functional vision. Metabolic disorders, where replacing the faulty gene improves enzyme production. What makes gene replacement revolutionary is that it doesn't treat symptoms, it treats the source, offering long-term corrections and in some cases near cure results. Sometimes the problem isn't that a gene is missing, it's that a gene is making the wrong protein. RNA silencing technologies like siRNA and antisense oligonucleotides work by turning off the faulty message before it becomes a harmful protein. Breakthroughs include hereditary transthyretin amyloidosis, hATTR. Treatments like patisiran and inotersen silences the disease-causing TTR protein. Huntington's disease, RNA therapies are being designed to lower the toxic Huntington protein. Certain cancers, RNA interference approaches are targeting tumor-driving mutations. This is precision medicine at the molecular level, shutting off the disease before it starts to damage. If gene replacement is like adding a new page, CRISPR is rewriting the page altogether. CRISPR-Cas9 is a gene editing tool that can cut, remove, or correct mutations inside the DNA itself. Breakthroughs include sickle cell disease, where CRISPR editing reactivates fetal hemoglobin, eliminating pain crisis and transforming lives. Beta thalassemia, patient becomes transfusion-free after CRISPR correction. Inherited immunodeficiencies, where CRISPR-modified stem cells rebuild healthy immune systems. For the first time in history, we are editing the genetic blueprint, not just treating symptoms. Some rare diseases are caused by missing or non-functional enzymes. Without them, toxic substances build up in the body. Enzyme replacement therapy, ERT, works by infusing the missing enzyme into the bloodstream. ERT has transformed outcomes in Gaucher disease, Fabry disease, Pompe disease, MPS disorders. Although it requires lifelong treatment, ERT improves survival, organ function, mobility, and quality of life. One of the most innovative frontiers is personalized cancer vaccines. These vaccines are created for the patient's own tumor mutations, 100% personalized treatment, and train the immune system to precisely attack cancer cells. Breakthroughs include melanoma vaccine trial shows significantly lower recurrence. Personalized neoantigen vaccine under development for ovarian, lung, and colorectal cancers. mRNA platforms speeding development of individualized treatment. This makes the shift from one-size-fits-all therapies to personalized immune engineering. Now, here's the part many families don't realize. For rare diseases, the best treatments are often only available in clinical trials. Because rare diseases affect small populations, most breakthroughs start in the United States, Europe, academic research hospitals, cancer centers like MD Anderson, Penn Medicine, Mayo Clinic, Stanford. Clinical trials give patients access to first-in-human gene therapies, targeted treatments, RNA drugs, immunotherapy combinations, experimental surgeries, disease-modifying agents not yet commercially available. For many conditions, clinical trials aren't the last option. They are the first real chance at meaningful improvement. Rare diseases used to mean limited options and lifelong uncertainty, but today, through gene therapy, RNA treatment, CRISPR editing, enzyme replacement, and clinical trials, patients finally have real hope. And for families watching this from around the world, you do not have to walk this journey alone. At MediPocket USA, we help patients from 21 plus countries connect directly to top US specialists, rare disease programs, gene therapy centers, and clinical trials that are often unavailable locally. If you or your loved one is searching for answers, we are here to guide you. I'm Dr. Priyanka Mathur. Subscribe for more global healthcare breakthroughs. And remember, where science evolves, hope follows.